So blending the colors right in the middle, see? The colors blended well. Alright, let us check this Prismacolor Scholar brand. And they say these are for students and beginners. Then later compare the Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. And as you can see, this is the container of these colored pencils. These are 60 handcrafted pencils with so many vibrant colors. Alright, as you can see, this is how I swatch or test my pencils. I blend them and you can see that the colors are very vibrant. By the way, I'm going to put the link where I bought these colored pencils on the description box. These are my blank blending bars. I will show you guys later how to do this technique. Now I have my eraser guard. I'm going to use this one. I am using a Fabriano mixed media paper for blending. I tried to use a different off-white paper, but I've decided to use a white one because it will give me the colors. So the output is much better with the white paper instead of an off-white paper. Probably some of you are thinking why I am doing reviews of these art materials, why I'm combining a review of the art materials that I bought and then applying them on some of my sample drawings, because I'll be using these materials that I've bought, the paints or the colored pencils, on my sketches. I'm planning to do urban sketching series of drawings and other theme drawings. So I'm gonna use the paints and the colored pencils that I bought along the way on this art journey. I'll be using the Derwent blending pencil. The ones that I have done, I'm showing you guys what will happen when you blend the colors together. So blending the colors right in the middle, see? The colors blended well. And next I'm doing the ends, E and D S. So these are the main colors that I used for each bar. Now let's begin. Let me show you the process. We have the paper with the bars and I'm selecting two colors to combine. Using my eraser guard and using one colored pencil, I'm doing one side, making sure not to fill the whole box. Right, and exactly on the middle. Then the ends, I just darken it with that color, the one that I used. I'm using my eraser to remove the smudges, then do the other side. I'm going to use another color, same technique, up until the middle and darken the end, just like what I did with the first color that I've put on or applied. I'm going to use my pen to write the names and number of the pencils. This will help you to not forget the colors blended, and sharpening the pencils after use. And now let's blend the middle portion with the use of the Derwent blender pencil. Okay, so same procedure. We're going to use two different colors. I have chosen one light color and one dark color. So we're going to do the same thing that I did on the very first bar across all of these colors that I've chosen. So I'm going to fast forward the video since this is going to be the same thing all over the process. And blending all the colors combined on these bars, let me show you next the Prismacolor Premier soft core pencils and doing the same thing using the blending bars. I am opening the Prismacolor Premier softcore pencils that I also bought online. And again, these are the Scholar brand of Prismacolor colored pencils. As you can see with the Scholar, they have neon colors. Now let's open the pack and check the inside of this Prismacolor Premier softcore pencils. And this container counts as 24 colored pencils. No broken ones here. Now let's blend these Premier pencils on our blending bars, just as what we did with the Prismacolor Scholar brand, and let's see the outcome. Now let's compare the Scholar brand with the Premier brand by blending them, same as what I did the first time with the Scholar colored pencils of Prismacolor. I am using the same colors as you can see here to here. So I've made the first one, which is the purple and the peach color. Same with the Scholar pencils that I've done first. Now I'm writing the words purple color and peach color for Premier softcore colored pencils. I'm gonna do the next color, which is the blue of the Scholar brand and Canary Yellow. I've picked the same color, Hue. Alright. With the Prismacolor pencils, same blue and Canary Yellow. So I've noticed the creaminess of the Premier colored brand, and they're very easy to blend. I'm actually using a mixed media paper, so there's a bit more of a tooth on the paper here, but if I were to use a vellum type of paper, I may have a much smoother effect, I believe. Alright, so the yellow on Scholar, as I've seen here, is more bright, but on Premier the yellow is creamy. It has a creamy texture, but on close-up the colors are more pigmented with the Premier brand. I'm now using the blender to blend the colors blue and Canary Yellow of Premier softcore. You can see the close-up of the blue and the Canary Yellow of Premier, and I can say it's quite good. What I'm about to do next is I'm going to finish the rest of the colors that I find that are quite similar to the ones with the Scholar brand. I don't know why there's no gray on the Premier softcore colored 24 pencils, so I chose a different shade of color to combine with the vermilion red and the pink one, because as you can see on the Scholar, they're both gray and the other is silver, so I don't have those on the Premier. So I've combined other colors with it and blended them with the blender, and also burnished it with the burnisher of the Derwent. I have here my drawn image from my last video on platinum fountain pens. You can check out that video. I've put down the link on the description box, and this image was for an urban sketching challenge. I decided to try the colored pencils on this drawing. I first used my Faber Castell classic watercolor pencils as primer for the colored pencils. And I am quite sure that there will be an effect because this paper is cold press, and we will see what will happen after I put down the Prismacolor pencils on this paper. Now let's apply the Prismacolor colored greens on the leaves on the bottom picture after I wetted the watercolor pencils. Then on the top plants, I used this colored pencils. Now they look great, and this is my first try to use these colored pencils and on cold press paper. Now I'll be making a couple of videos on theme drawings, like I've mentioned, urban sketching videos, other drawings that I might think that I need to use these colored pencils. So join me on those videos, stay tuned for more, and help me hit a lot of friends. Alright, so the image may not look great as you might expect it, since this drawing was marked with fountain pen instead of just using a pencil and then putting on color in it, and it's cold pressed paper. If it was on vellum or vellum paper, vellum board, using only pencil or gray under the painting, I think this will look awesome for sure. But the main aim of this video is to compare and see the opaqueness, the texture of both the Prismacolor, Premier, and Scholar colored pencils. Now I'm reaching the end of this video. I hope that you find it informative. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and let's all be friends. Again, more videos every Tuesday and Friday. See you.